Welcome back. It's Monday, so you know what that means.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today we're going to show you how to make a Mai Tai with our beautiful new Navy Strength.
Let's get into it. All right, that's how you make the Navy Tai. I really like this drink. It's very creamy with that almond orgeat in it. Yes. But yeah, why don't you tell us about the drink? I'm gonna sip on it.
Yeah, so Mai Tai, classic tiki drink. Everybody knows the Mai Tais. Gotta have the orgeat.
Okay.
It is an almond syrup. So basically they just make syrup, simple syrup, throw some almonds in there. It's pretty easy. Annoying to deal with the almonds. It's really nice to have some other ones that you can go to. Small Hand Foods on Amazon is also a great orgeat you can get regularly anywhere.
Yeah.
So Mai Tai, gotta have that orgeat. Also gotta have your little triple sec, a little bit of that orange flavor. The lime, always gotta have lime in a drink. And it's featuring our new Navy Strength Rum.
Yes.
My favorite thing we've ever put out. Just puts another kind of a high proof spin on a classic.
Yeah. And I love sweet drinks, but that Navy rum is just naturally sweet itself.
Yeah.
It is so smooth, so easy to drink. In any cocktail, it's going to be amazing, and it definitely shines in this one, I think, really, really well. And it always packs a punch because Navy Strength is a high proof liquor, so it's at 55%. 55. Crazy. Anyway, so definitely check out this recipe in the description below. Come visit us at the Distillery. We're right now in the historic Mount Holly Cotton Mill that is going to be our new location soon enough. We've got renovations and restorations underway, and we're very, very excited to be here in the future, very near future. So come check us out and make this cocktail at home and let us know what you think. But we'll see you guys next week. Cheers.